asking of money.
Kitty's got a sissy. Every time I see a kitty with a sissy. Sucking on her sissy.
Like she makes it like so wet after. You like touch it on the side of that she's sucking on, and then you'll see that it's wet, or when it's dry, it's like all hard.
Oh my gosh. She's just in heaven.
Sometimes she does this for like half an hour.
It's like having a sissy.
Yeah.
Like trying to fall asleep.
Is that good?
This is like Maggie.
Oh, it's so good. Oh my
Where's
goodness.
Maggie?
Oh my goodness, it's so good.
Smalley.
Yeah, yeah. Just like Maggie. Suck, suck, suck.
She's like
I don't know what it is about that she loves so much.
Because there's like a little
It's like a security blanket.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
She's ever mad at
We're
her.
eventually going to have to get her another one because she's going to suck this one until there's nothing left.
Yeah. Bella attacks her sometimes. She grow up and be a woman. Bella attacks her sometimes. And she's itchy.
They play fight all the time.
Yeah, but when Molly's
Oh,
sucking,
got a flea, kitty? Got a flea?
I wonder what the cats would do if we give them like a bit of catnip.
They were retarded, they stupid.
I know.
All over it.
They're all over it.